Here we have the brand new Ferrari SF90. It's getting ready to embark on a very large journey. The beauty about getting all your work done here is that we're able to do the entire job from start to finish all in one house. Now, what does that mean? We get the chance to do what we're doing behind here, which is a lot of the performance aspect. Then we can protect the actual paint, and for those who love to go ahead and upgrade the aesthetics of the vehicle, we do all of that here in-house as well. So that makes it very convenient for you. Instead of you having to jump from one shop to the next, basically you get a chance to drop it off one time under one roof, and then also allows you to hold us, which we take full accountability for all the work from start to finish. We have already removed the OEM cats and then also the mufflers, and then replaced them courtesy of our partners over at Capristo with a whole new aftermarket exhaust. You ever heard the SF90 is very underwhelming? Next, we went with lowering the actual vehicle, courtesy of our partners over at Ryft. We're going to also add on some additional carbon fiber that's going to replace some of the OEM parts. Customer wanted to go and add a little bit more flair, a little bit more carbon. We do have a set of wheels and should be here in the next couple of weeks. We are doing all of the performance aspects of the vehicle. Once we're done with that, we could go right on over to the next studio and get started on the protection aspect of the actual project. When it comes to color changes, there's a lot that's involved. As you see, we had to take apart the car. And when it comes down to these newer Ferraris, these are not the easiest vehicles to disassemble. So when you're considering getting something like a color PPF or even stealth PPF, the one thing you want to consider when you're picking your shop is, do they have a technician, a certified technician, someone who's experienced? Does this person have real life hours, wrench hours, and taking apart vehicles and putting them back together? Because that's going to be very important. We are about maybe 90% done with the color PPF. We have the front bumper that we had to put on, and then that way we have it stable where we can actually stretch. White happens to be one of the hardest colors to go ahead and do a color change on. The reason why is because white is so bright. You're going to find that white is going to seep through. It's going to be a lot more noticeable than a color like black. Sometimes we've had clients who are trying to purchase a vehicle with the intentions of wrapping it with color PPF, and they always ask what's the best color to go ahead and start with. Start with a very dark canvas, black if you can, and something that's going to be close to black, like a dark purple, dark greens, things like that. Those are going to hide the original color a little bit better. We have finally wrapped up with this SF90. Everything that we completed on this SF90 was done in-house here at Simple Details. And we did quite a few different modifications. The modifications that we started off with was install the Capristo Exhaust. Then we went with our Ryft suspension and lowering springs. And then you cannot lower the car and not add some new shoes to it. So what we did is we got some MV forged wheels. These are your 3-piece with a polished lip, and then kind of a gunmetal split 5-star spoke. Seto Ferrariano style type rear spoiler with the 1x1 pattern weaves to match all of the factory OEM carbon fiber that came with the vehicle, such as what we have here in the vents and the front lip and also the side skirts. Now on to the protection of the vehicle. Prior to, the vehicle was white, and this is what we call shark gray, but it is also reminiscent of the Nardo gray that everyone loves on the doors. You will see that with the angles and the concaves and the vents and everything, this is pretty complex. So we wanted to make sure that we got everything, but also we had to put in quite a few different inlays and things to make sure that we had zero evidence of the old color. Again, very complex installation. It's not something for a new or a novice to actually do, or even an intermediate installer to actually do. This is very complex, so it will require thousands and thousands of hours of installation experience in order to make sure that you are able to go ahead and get the standards that you're seeing here that we deliver here at Simple Details. We have a one-stop shop solution for all of your protection, correction, and modification needs. And so therefore everything is done in-house under one process, one system. And then also we are able to go ahead and make sure that the same attention to detail that we give for our detailing side of the business, we also provide that for the modification side of our business too as well. Most people, when they're trying to do a project this extensive, they're looking for multiple different shops in order to go ahead and do such. And you're gonna find that there's a heightened chance of issues. Individuals or shops or businesses won't really worry about other aspects of the job that was done by someone else. Example, you can do PPF, but then after getting the PPF done and you're doing modifications, that mechanic that's on the modifications might damage the PPF that was actually installed there too. Some of the issues that you worry about going through multiple shops or different businesses to go ahead and get such an extensive job done. Thank y'all for tuning in. Very, very exciting project. We were happy to be able to go ahead and deliver this. If you have any questions about this project, feel free to drop it down in the comment section, or feel free to give us a call. We'll be more than happy to go ahead and discuss this project, or basically any project that you might have that you would like to get started. We'd love to go and set up a free consultation so that way we can deliver the same superior service and product. We appreciate you tuning in. Hope you love the project. If you would have done something different than what we've done, feel free to go ahead and drop a comment, good, bad, or indifferent. We will love to go and hear from you. Until next time, keep it simple.